Welcome to the internship program. I am Shubham Gupta from NextGen AI Frameworks Pvt Limited. I have 14 years of work experience in the fields of artificial intelligence, software development and robotics. In previous video, I told you how to create basic desktop app using Kinter. In this video, I will show you how you can convert your text-to-speech project that we created in previous sessions to desktop application. So I will copy this code and switch the project to text-to-speech. If you remember, I created this text-to-speech project, human sounding text-to-speech. You give the text and it will be converted to human sounding human sounding speech. So again, let's see if the project is working. Okay, so activate the virtual environment, choose the interpreter. Okay, let's see. Now comes the part of GUI. Let's see. So I will create one new file, GUI.py for example. Paste the code here. Okay, simple. So what I did is just open the project again and added this code here. Let's see if this code is working in this project, GUI.py, like this. So yes, it is working here. Now what I want to do is, if I type some text in this text box and click on submit, then that text will be converted to speech. This is what I want. I want to convert my project to GUI software. This is what I want to do. So I will make some basic changes. So basic changes is, let's rename the root window text to speech. Next thing is, we are talking about entry. Let's increase the size to 100. And in the title, type some text, and this one will be convert. Let's see what I did. I did this. So let's just decrease some size. It is not looking good. Okay, so here we can type some text, click on convert, and text will be converted to speech. This is what we will do. And see the title, it has changed the title. Now let us look at how to integrate this with the code. So if I go to this main.py, how this project is working is, this is the native code that I ran earlier in this session, in previous sessions. Let's convert or change it to a function. So define convert TTS, for example, one function, and shift this code inside this. Simple. Next thing is to just change the text according to the variable. So text, so whatever we receive in this or through this argument, first argument for convert TTS function, it will be applied to this. And only for now, for the simplicity, I will keep it till here only. So what this convert TTS will do is, let's see. So if I run convert TTS and give some text, demo text, like this, and run python main.py, what will happen? Let's see. Oh yes, it will take time, 2 or 3 minutes. As you know, this model is heavy, so CPU and memory usage will spike up. and then we will have one file output.wave. I will just delete this for now. so that we have a clean project. So this is the input voice, and we have this main.py containing the basic convert to speech code. Okay, so let's see how much time it will take, and I will tell you then the next step. As you know, you can ignore these warnings, they are not important for now. So we have output.wave. Let's play
demo text. Demo text.
Okay, so we have the output now, but instead of running this here, let us import this one here. So let's see, import yes, I will give you one technique, good technique. Let's see if it works. From let's rename this from main to TTS. Okay, now from TTS import convert TTS. What it will do is just import the required thing only from this file and not the complete file. Let's see if it works, but you can use this technique to import a single function or method from a file. You can see here also I have used this, but this is what I created right now, and I will use it. We have to create a new function for this. You can not directly call this, it will create some issues. So let's change the name of the function to create task, something like this. Create task and call this function here like this. Okay, so let's see. To all the newcomers, what we are doing is creating a desktop software. The project we created earlier, text to speech, I want to show you how you can integrate or create a desktop software from it. So we are using Kinter to create the project. What I did is just renamed this function that I created earlier and called this here. Why? Because I want to process the conversion here in this. So let's see message. Instead of message, or just I will comment it out so that you will not get confused. So let's write the code, simple code here. So what first thing I want to do is, from this entry, the text box, I want to store data in a variable. Okay, so text equals to entry.get. This is how I will get the data from a text box. And next thing, I will just print the data like this, that in the terminal, for you to show step-by-step process. Okay, so I will just run this code, GUI code. Okay, so this is the basic GUI. Type some text here, click on convert, and you can see the same text is available in terminal. Okay, how it is working? When I click on the button, create task will be called, and then the data from the entry or the text box will be stored in text variable, and then I am printing the text variable. This is what I am doing. This is very basic code. Now you already know this is the text you want to convert to speech, right? So just call the function here, convert TTS, and pass the text argument here. So this is what we want right now. Now let's see if it works. I think there will be some problem because I am not loading the model and just loading the function, but let's see what will happen. So python GUI.py, GUI version of our text to speech. It will take some time to run. GUI software, because you already know I have included the complete model in this line, and I will tell you how to improve the load time. Ignore the warnings. So yeah, it is, I think, loading the model. Now let's see if it converts the output.wave. Okay, so not right away it will just create the output.wave. First we will give some text. Let's see. Hi, how are you? Okay, convert. We are seeing this here, and let's see what will happen. Okay, so we have output file available,
Hi, how are you?
but this time I gave the input from here, GUI. You already know using the GUI software is less time consuming and good experience. So this is what GUI software looks like, and this is the basic how you can run the Python projects or AI ML projects in GUI mode. Now let's check the other text. So the reason you are getting not responding, because it is taking because on the button click it is running convert TTS function. So you can apply multi-threading if you want to solve this issue, but I will just be keeping this for basics.
I am fine. Thank you.
See, this is the better way to deploy the projects and not to use command line too much. This will be the one of the way desktop software that you can create using Kinter or other libraries available. I will continue this session in next video. See you in next video. Have a nice day.